Explore the possibilities of the wonders of nature. Here is where hearts soar beyond incomprehensible heights. She traverses through a history that explains the myth of African heritage. Home to more than 2 million people, bounded in the west by Plateau and Gombe State, and on the eastern border by the Republic of Cameroon. You are welcome to nature's gift to the nation. Welcome to Taraba State, Nigeria. This is the place where you glide smoothly to the realization of your dreams, where you are deeply rooted in the core of your existence. This is where the sun sets in Africa. Friendliness, warmth, and depth are the qualities that make us unique as a people. We have a bond that cannot be broken, and through warm embrace, we welcome you to be a part of our reality. Come and experience moments you will live to remember. This is the place where warriors are raised and history is heard in the echoes of songs, where hearts beat to the sounds of the war drum. Limitless opportunities for a sustainable economy. Viable policies and incentives to encourage foreign direct investments, from its fertile farmlands to the favorable climate conditions. This is a land filled with honey and milk, rich in the growth of cocoa, granite, and coffee, endowed with immense agricultural abundance, forest reserves that sustain our timber industry, hides and skin of cattle for the leather industry. With credibility in governance and good success in our business lives, our economy is a revelation of the future standards of Africa. We are a people of worth with works of our hands, from pottery and embroidery that reveals the depth of our culture, dedication and commitment crowned with festivities that celebrates commerce, a coming together to give toast for our achievements. Explore cattle ranches on the Mambila Plateau, forest reserves at Gembu, Bisaula, Kamatan, Kurmi, and Donkin, with huge potential in deposits of salt, barytes, galano, marble, graphite, and iron stone. Come, experience the frenzy of the Munyo Fishing Festival. Feel and ponder on the mystery of Pambo's rock formations. Be made still in the awesomeness of the Mambila Plateau. Escape into huts that exemplify African architectural antiques. Bask at the freshness of an enduring river that gave birth to our name. This river is a force with a current that unleashes good tidings. It connects our hearts to the wonders of Africa. Explore our hidden potentials. Explore the possibilities of the wonders of true nature. Welcome to the enclave of a treasure undiscovered. Welcome to Taraba State, Nigeria, nature's gift to the nation.